Hello everyone. Today we're going to guess the opposite. Are you ready? Let's go. Boy, girl. The opposite of boy is girl. Sun, sun. Sun. Can you guess what is the opposite of sun? Moon. The opposite of sun is moon. Well done. Boy, boy. Boy. Can you guess what is the opposite of boy? Girl. The opposite of boy is girl. Well done, super work. Close. The door is closed. Close. Can you guess what is the opposite of close? Let's have a look. Open, open. The opposite of close is open. Hot, hot. Hot. Can you guess what is the opposite of hot? Let's have a look. Cold, cold. The opposite of hot is cold. Run, run. Run. Can you guess what is the opposite of run? Let's have a look. Walk, walk. The opposite of run is walk. Sit, sit. Sit. The opposite of sit is, can you guess? Let's have a look. Stand, stand. The opposite of sit is stand. Big, big. Big. Can you guess what is the opposite of big? Let's have a look. Small, small. The opposite of big is small. The rocket is shooting up to the sky. Up. Up. Can you guess what is the opposite of up? Down. Down. The opposite of up is down. Happy. 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 Can you guess what is the opposite of happy? Let's have a look. Sad. Sad. The opposite of happy is sad. Tall. 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 Can you guess what is the opposite of tall? Short. Short. The opposite of tall is short. Now, can you think of any other opposites? Can you go around and have a look, and can you see the things that are opposite? Well done, everyone. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done. Bye-bye. And remember to keep on practicing.